sharp crease, sharp point. And then this one, you see that? See the line bend? See the line bend? You gotta stay on the line. Just like that. Another sharp fold.
You wanna learn how to make airplane?
Okay. See that? Well, we have an airplane, but it doesn't have any wings.
Let me see. How you do it?
Fold and fold.
Oh, you know how you get a wing?
Yeah. Show them how to get a wing.
You fold another one here.
So that's over
And then what's the transformation on the airplane?
there. Now, what do we
Now
have?
you'll find a wing.
Open her up.
Open. See, there's the
Now
wing.
you got an airplane with wings.
That's how you make wings.
Oh, wait, look. It's got to be a flat piece. Wait a minute. Oh, it goes like that. Okay, well, that's one end. Now, wait a minute. Which way is that? Is that the top or the bottom? I think that might be the top. Let's see. Oh, no. It's this one. Oop. I think it goes this way. Look. See the picture? And the yellow butterflies in that corner? So that means it goes up here. Like that. Okay? It goes there.